In this video, I will show you how to delete everything on your laptop. So whether you're looking to delete everything on your laptop because you're looking to sell it on, or maybe you just want a fresh start, then follow along with me to learn how to do this. Before we do continue though, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started with this, as you can see, we're currently here on my desktop. What you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Now once you've opened your settings window, come over to the left hand side, click onto system, and once you're on here, scroll down a bit until you see an option for recovery. Give that a click. On the recovery screen, if you come down to the recovery options section, you're going to see an option to reset this PC at the top. What you need to do is click onto the reset PC button. On choose an option, click onto remove everything. What that's going to do is effectively remove all the apps and programs that did not come with the PC, as well as your personal files. Then what you want to do is choose how you would like to reinstall Windows. So I'm going to select local reinstall, and then it's going to summarize what's going to happen. So as you can see, remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, and reinstall Windows from this device. Just come down and click next at the bottom, and it's going to take a minute to just get everything ready. Once everything is ready, again, you're going to get a quick summary of what's going to happen. So as you can see, that resetting will remove all of the personal files and user accounts on this PC. It's going to remove any changes made to settings, and it's going to remove any apps and programs that did not come with this PC. And of course, it's going to reinstall Windows from this device. Now, it does take some time to do this, so make sure if you are using your laptop that it is plugged into a power source so that it doesn't run out of battery during the reset process, as that can affect the process itself. But that being said, if you want to continue, just simply click onto the reset button, and that's going to go ahead, reset your PC, and of course delete everything on your laptop. So that is how to delete everything on your laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.